Hello, I'm Dr. Rabiya. I'm a third year DNB resident at NIO Ophthalmology, and today is my last day at NIO. I've completed my DNB Ophthalmology from NIO in first attempt. I would like to share my experience of how was my journey all through in NIO. First of all, I would like to say that doing residency in any branch requires a great deal of hard work, dedication, and sincerity, which was something expected of me as well. So, in the initial days, it was difficult to cope up with the new machines, new technologies, new subject, and because, like all of us who have done MBBS, we know that ophthalmology is something we know less of in our UG days. So, what we knew was something like what I have learned in my 3 years of training is something far more than what I knew in UG. So, the most important thing which I would like to say about NIO is that the amount of growth and the amount of chances that we get here, be it in OPD or in OT, is something very fabulous. Like in OPD, we have different departments. We get to see the patients in all the departments, like in glaucoma, in retina, in oculoplasty, in squint, and we get to examine the patients, and the consultants are really free to guide us regarding the diagnosis of the patient, what are the investigations and why are they doing those investigations. We were like from the first year onwards only, we were there in the OPD, part of the OPD doing investigations, and we were like helping the consultants in their decision making. Most of it like the IOL power, like most of the calculations that lenses, the decision of the lenses and everything was taken by the residents only, be it monofocal, EDOF or multifocal lenses. The biometry is entirely done by the residents at NIO, and the consultants guide us like whenever there are any different situations, what are the powers to be taken. And also in the OPD, like there are very small procedures that we get to do in OPD as well as in OT. I would say that since we are attending the OTs of different consultants, all the different surgeries, we get to see like how to assist those surgeries, and there are few steps here and there which we used to get in those surgeries. And the phaco training which I got at NIO is something I would like to talk about. Like I had done my phaco training under different consultants, and they were really good in guiding me in each and every step, and how to take the decisions, what are the things I should be most careful about, which is the correct way of doing a particular step is something which we learn. I would say it is not the number of surgeries which we do, but the quality of surgeries that we do at NIO matters. And that is what I have learned. Like in my tenure in phaco, I did not make any complication. It was all normal surgeries. I got to do individual phacos in my last days, as well as the opportunities which we get to present in international conferences. Like I had presented an Asia Pacific Ophthalmology in April 2025 as a paper and poster presentation. And I had also got a lot of knowledge about the research work, because Dr. Sen Gupta sir, he was the head of the Department of Research at NIO, and for 1 year he had trained us of how to write the papers, how to read a journal, which are the topmost journals, and like how to screen a paper. What is the he used to call it like there is a lacuna in literature which we should actually search for before choosing a topic for research, and that is how my topic, my thesis was being decided. And I am really honored that I got my name in JAMA Ophthalmology as one of my paper got presented in there. And I'm really thankful to Dr. Aditya Kelkar sir, Dr. Zai Kelkar ma'am, and the entire team of NIO for giving me this opportunity to have my name in such a topmost journal, as well as to present in international conferences, and to get so much hands-on in the decision making of be it in OPDs or OTs. And there are things like which comes with effort. Like the more effort you take, the better it gets. Like the consultant also knows that I'm interested in the subject, I'm doing hard work, so they are interested in giving opportunities. So I'm really thankful to the entire team of doctors at NIO. They have helped me to become a good ophthalmologist. I may not be that good today, but I'll definitely work harder to be a very good ophthalmologist. Thank you.